How to download GTA City Liberty Stories. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download GTA Liberty City Stories. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is simply open up a web browser and type in GTA Liberty City Stories and hit enter. There you will see Rockstar Games website, so open that up. And after you open that up, you will see the game description and everything about the game. Now, if you're in the correct region and if it's available in your region, you should find an option to download this game. But since I'm not in the correct region, I do not have the download option. But the download option should be right around here. So if you see the download button, tap on download and you should be able to download the game. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching guys. That is how you download GTA Liberty City Stories on your PC. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and happy gaming.